To fix the PlayStation app not working on a device, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If you're facing the issue of PlayStation app not working, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that your internet or mobile data may not be working. So simply scroll from the very top right hand side and enable the airplane mode for a few seconds. So after enabling the airplane mode, it helps you to reset all the network settings which is on device. So simply turn it back after a few seconds and try to open the PlayStation app again and see if it works. If it works, then that's great. If it doesn't, then you just need to open settings on a device and click on the option of general. So on the general, you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on it, and the iPhone storage, you'll see the various app which you have installed on your iPhone. So scroll down until you see the option of PlayStation app or PS app. So click on it and click on the option of upload app. So by uploading the app, it will help you to fix the common box error which are currently occurring on the app. So after uploading the app, click on the option of reinstall app again to reinstall it again on the device. And by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the issue of PlayStation app not working. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.